is a solution provider in the promotional product industry, and then we're really known well for providing a quality imprint. So we're printing corporate logos on sporting goods, primarily golf balls, but baseballs, fishing lures, hockey pucks. Now we're printing on pizza cutters, ice cream spades, whisks, and anything that you would use in the kitchen. Our products are shipped all over the world, but for the most part it's locally within the United States.
Quality is very important to our customers and to us. It's important that we get every order right and make sure it's right the first time when we ship it out. So technology is a very important part of the production process at Balpro.
We pride ourselves in our quick turnaround and on-time delivery to our customers.
We're also now able to enter about twice as many orders per person as we had been before we were on SAP Business One. Pioneer B1 has been a fantastic company to work with. This was my first system implementation, and it went really seamlessly.
SAP Business One, one of the greatest benefits I've seen is the reduction in paper that we've used. Before, just had the paper copies of the order, and now they have tablets or computer workstations that they work off of and move the orders from queue to queue.
Working with Pioneer B1 has been fantastic. They've taken the time to really learn our business and understand our needs, and anytime we reach out to them, their support has been quick, responsive, and they've come with a solution that we need to accomplish our goals. We were presented with a challenge by one of our vendors who actually wanted us to take over some of their print production about a year ago. And the scope of the project they want us to do was something that pre-SAP Business One would not have been able to handle. Normally, that project would have probably taken us 2 weeks to turn most of the orders, and now we're turning those orders in 2 days.
So I continue to see us working with Pioneer in the future and having them come out here, every couple of years to do sort of like a system recap and, give us other different pointers or tips and tricks.
So SAP Business One will really help us see to the future as we have to enter new industries, enter new markets, and the nimbleness that we get out of SAP Business One will really help us accomplish that.